So today in this video we are going to discuss the Wipro Cohorts program that it organizes for the CA freshers who want to pursue their career in the finance area. So what exactly is Wipro Cohorts and what are the eligibility criteria, the compensation that Wipro will give to you, and one of the amazing facts that you will get to know in the end of this video will be shared by me. So moving on, what is Cohorts? So Cohorts is a full-time position in the Wipro wherein you will join Wipro as a senior finance executive. You will be placed in different departments where rotation will happen in every 1 year, and you will be given the exposure to work across various fields in the finance. These fields could be treasury, direct taxes, indirect taxes, mergers, acquisition, FP&A, business finance, and internal audit. So if I want to be a part of this cohorts program, what are all steps that I need to do to be a part of it? So first one is the online assessment test. It is an assessment test where there will be multiple choice questions of section A and section B. In one section you will get the reasoning, the verbal aptitude questions, and in the second round you will get the technical questions related to CA. You need to qualify that round first for getting into the interview rounds, that is for round 1 and round 2. In round 1 you will get the technical questions, and in round 2 also you will get the technical question, but it may happen that in your round 2 you will get to have an interview where they will only ask you about your family and other things. HR round is a just a sake of round for where they will check if you are willing to reallocate to Bangalore or not. So that's it. So moving on to the departments that Wipro Cohorts is going to offer you is the corporate finance. You will get the audit, taxes, controllership, treasury, FP&A, secretarial, business finance, and business support. Uh, all these are the function of corporate finance. You can be part of any of these departments. Now the compensation and the eligibility criteria. So the payment will be of even 11 lakh CTC, and the fixed pay is around 10 lakhs, and 1 lakh is around variable based on your performance. The location is Bangalore for sure. You have to travel to Bangalore. The eligibility criteria to be part of this cohorts program is that you need to be qualified in the recent CA final examination. You have to have maximum 3 attempts for qualifying the CA final examination, and you are willing to reallocate to Bangalore. One more thing about the compensation part, that you will get 2 lakhs of deferred bonus if you complete 2 years with Wipro, and if you are a final ranker or inter ranker, then you will get a sum of 50,000 rupees one time. It's not a part of your CTC. And the best part that I am going to share about Wipro is that the 2 lakhs that you will get after completing 2 years with Wipro will get added to your CTC. That suppose when you join the company at a CTC of 11, let's suppose after 2 years you have a CTC of 12 lakhs. So after 2 years you will get 2 lakhs of deferred bonus, and that 2 lakhs will get added to your CTC, implying that you will get 14 lakhs as your CTC. So that's not a one time, but it will get included in your CTC as well. So that's all about the Wipro Cohorts program. If you have any query or you want to know anything, you can comment it in the comment box. I will be very much happy to answer your queries. For your information, I had qualified for the Wipro Cohorts program, and if you want to know anything about the online assessment test, the technical rounds, then I am always available for you. You can always comment me, and you can always share your reviews in the comment section, and I'll be very much happy to answer those questions. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching it. I hope you get to into your dream company very soon. Thank you so much. My experiences that I had from my Wipro cohorts assessment. So in the technical round, what all questions are essential and what answers you should know, I must tell you beforehand. So you should know what is the meaning of working capital, how many employees are working in Wipro, what are the visions and missions of Wipro, at what is the revenue, their quarterly results. Then you need to have the knowledge of India's 115, then leases. You also have to get the idea how Wipro recognizes their revenue based on 115. So you all know that there are two criteria if the control is transferred over a period of time or at a period of time. So if you will answer in this way, then I think your interview will get easily cracked. So based on this, you can answer this question. Apart from that, you can also learn the leases section, the difference between earned revenue and unearned revenue, billed revenue, unbilled revenue, uh, the difference between debtors and unbilled revenue. They primarily focuses on these things very much. So you need to have the information like this for accrued revenue, accrued interest, unearned revenue, outstanding expenses, a provision for debtors. They had asked me a question for provision for debtors as well. In one of the questions, I was asked to calculate the expected liabilities. How am I going to give the journal entries for the expected liability? For example, if I hire some of the people and there is a provision that if they stay here with the company, they will get 1 lakh rupees. So how am I going to give the journal entry for those? The working capital I already mentioned, and you need to be and show very positive attitude to the interviewer, and that's how you'll be able to easily crack the interview. For some of the students, it may happen that the interview asks you regular questions like where are you from, when you started your CA, how many members are in your family, from which place you belong. Don't worry, answer those questions and you will be able to pass through it.